Sa buhay po na ito mga kapatid, ay nakakaranas po tayo ng mga kasalanan. At sa dami rin ng ating mga nagawang kasalanan ay nakaranas din tayo ng mga sakit na isa sa resulta ng kasalanan. Because the people are imperfect, yung bayan nagiging imperfect din. So we need healing in ourselves, in our family, in our country. We need healing and also forgiveness that comes from the Lord. Sa verse 14 ng chapter 7 ng 2 Chronicles na very familiar po para sa ating lahat, that if my people who are called by my name, sabi po ni Lord, will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sin and will heal their land.